Turning out to developing news, Baystate Health announcing they are eliminating nearly 100 jobs this week. According to a press release sent out this morning, 98 corporate positions, that's roughly 1% of the workforce, have been eliminated across Baystate. The release says the decision comes as part of a restructuring plan introduced at the end of last year. Baystate says the move will help to invest $12 billion over the next 12 years in operations and growth.